The crypto dip explained. Guys, we need to answer the question, are we screwed in this market? Let's just be honest. Are we ever gonna go back up? What should we do right now with Bitcoin, with crypto, with altcoins? And finally, on YouTube today, an honest, unedited video. This video will probably not be in my best interest. This video will just tell you the truth about the crypto market. So if that's what you're looking for, you're in the right place. All right, smash the like button for me, guys. I'm not gonna beg you. Please do that for me because I'm gonna get very, very real with you today. And I'm gonna tell you exactly what is on my mind without like a bunch of planning, without a bunch of preamble, how I think this market is shaping up right now, because clearly some things have played out over the past few days. We have Bitcoin taking a massive dump. Right now we're sitting at $42,900. We are near the lowest bands of this range, so I wouldn't panic sell today. I mean, just straight off the top of this video, guys, like if you're selling a bunch of stuff right here, I think that's what the whales want. I do think we will at least get a reaction bounce somewhere back up to the middle of this range at some point, because that's just how markets work, right? That people panic, people oversell, and then it bounces back up, and that's when you can exit if you feel like it, okay? But let's talk about what actually happened. Let's just jump right into it, and then I'll talk about the show sponsor in the middle of the video. So yesterday, we saw a massive dump in the NASDAQ as well. This is the traditional markets. This is all the tech stocks, Apple, Google, all those companies that you know. You see this massive candle? This looks like something from Bitcoin, right? This looks like a crypto candle, but it's not. This is the NASDAQ. This is the best companies in the world, Google, Apple, Facebook, all those companies. So why did all of the tech companies just completely dump yesterday and bring Bitcoin along with it, like this massive freaking horrible dump right here? Well, it's very simple. It's one headline, and I got it right here for you. There's an advertisement. It says Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies slide as global stocks fall, right? Like I said, the Bitcoin followed the stock market almost immediately on hawkish federal minutes. And those of you who are watching, you're probably like, what the hell is hawkish? I don't like hawks. I'm not a big bird watcher. Well, hawkish just means this, very simply. You guys have seen this meme, right? This means money printer go burr. And I've been telling you guys this on the channel that the only thing that matters is how much money is being put into the economy by the Federal Reserve. I'm telling you guys this for literally 3 months. Like, if you don't believe me, go back and watch some of my videos, because I've been trying to warn you guys that there's only one thing that matters. I haven't got everything right, but I have been right about that. The only thing that matters is this money printer. That's it. And so yesterday they came out and they said in their federal minutes, and I should have been on this for you guys. I'm sorry. I totally spaced. I was talking about the CPI data coming out on the 12th, but really the market was watching this stupid little paper where they released the notes from their stupid little meeting. Like, it's just so annoying that these gray-haired people who don't know anything and are literally just ruining the economy with their money printing are controlling everything. But that's just the way it is, and so we have to play the game that we've been dealt, right? And so what they did is they freaking turned down the money printer. They said, look, guys, we're going to raise interest rates and we are going to taper. And those two words, if you don't know what they are in crypto right now, I cannot help you. You need to go use a thing called a Google search and figure out what the words tapering and raising interest rates mean for your finances. Because if you're playing around in crypto right now, no one's going to be honest with you on all the YouTube channels today. They're going to say, it's fine, we're going to the moon. Did you buy the dip? Did you buy the dip? But they aren't talking about the only thing that matters, and that's this money printer. And it slowed down yesterday, guys. It really, really did. And so let's talk about the Bywall that I've been talking about for weeks. I thought that $46,000 would support us right here. Look, $46,000 is the price of Bitcoin. This is where all the whales were buying. And it was supporting us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like 20 days in a row. That wall held up. But, you know, you can't fight the Fed. You ever heard that saying? Let me make sure my face is somewhat big over here. Sorry for the inception, but you can't fight the Fed. And that's what happened yesterday. Even the whales got liquidated by the Fed yesterday, and that's why we went down. And so now I'm a little bit worried. Everyone's asking me, Kale, where's the Bywall? Is the Bywall at 40K? Well, look at this, guys. Look at the chart. You can pull this up yourself. But look, the Bywall is not there anymore. The Bywall moved up to 46,000 and is no longer there at $40,000 to catch us. And to get even worse, the leverage ratio barely came down at all. Look at this. This was the big leverage shakeout yesterday. Yesterday, everyone panicked. Look how much the leverage came down. Wow, that's really impressive. Holy crap, the leverage came way down. Look at Will Clemente. He says it best. Today's wipeout, this is what he says, the leverage that's still built up from the last month. Can you guys see this? I hope you guys can see this. Yeah, look. I mean, look at how much leverage is still here. And that big old wipeout, woo, yesterday was so big. Like, oh my gosh, we probably got rid of all those leverage. We're going to go to the moon now. It's guys. This market is different. I just want to say it right here loudly for everyone in the back. Like if you're coming to this channel every day and expecting me just to like blow smoke up your ass and just be like, hey, we're going to the moon, and all your coins are going to the moon, and not change based on data that comes in, you're in the wrong place. And I know I'm going to get a lot of hate for that. I know people are going to say like, Kale, you changed your mind. You were just talking about these amazing altcoin trades 2 days ago, and you were talking about these 5 altcoins a few days ago. Well, here's the thing, guys. All of this stuff is time sensitive. If you would have bought Phantom right here when I said easy money, top 10 Christmas miracle coins, you would have almost doubled your money in that short period of time, and then you would have been watching the Federal Reserve minutes. You would have been watching whatever the Fed says controls the whole market, guys. This guy right here. You would have been watching like a hawk and been like, okay. This is not a secure thing. This is not like, oh, take this to the bank forever, hold forever, to the moon. I'm a moon boy, hold till I'm dead. No. You would have been watching, and then you would have seen this and been like, oh crap, and tried to take some profits yesterday. And so, like, I'm going to be real with you guys, okay? This market is not, the rest of this year, honestly, I think is not going to be for the faint of heart. This is not going to be for you people that are, I'm just looking to get into crypto. Which coin should I buy? Like, that was the market before, guys. Let me show you what it sucks. It sucks to just even say this stuff because like I know it's not what people want to hear, and hey, it might not help the YouTube algorithm and all that stuff. But I gotta be honest with you guys. Like to be like this whole, let me take these stupid charts off the screen. Like this whole run up here when we were running all the way from like I don't know $40,000 all the way up to $69,000, and it was following 2017 perfectly when the Bitcoin price was following the price of 2017 Bitcoin perfectly. We all thought, everyone and their mother thought we were going to $100,000, including me. Okay, but now that the market structure has totally broken down, and I've drawn this on the channel before, but I just want to draw it one more time for those people that are new, because I know a lot of people are quitting right now. So if you're still here, smash that like button for me, because you're one of the people that's actually going to make it, I promise. But look, this was our expectation, okay, straight up to $100,000 right here, and this is our reality. Okay, so when your expectations do not meet your reality, what do? Do you just sit there and continue to just pound the same message like, it's going to be okay. It's going to be okay, buddy. We're going to the moon, $100,000 by the end of January. Or do you try to evaluate what is actually happening in this market and how can I actually make money? So guys, we were on easy mode for 2 years. Like, look at this NASDAQ chart. Look at this chart. I mean, I can't even make this stuff up. This is like ridiculous, and I don't have it perfectly lined up for you at this moment. Give me 1 second. Oh my gosh, it looks so bad. I can't get it to line up. But you guys have seen, I don't even need to do this. Like, you guys, do you need a chart on the screen in order to understand crypto, guys? Like, I don't want to baby anyone anymore on this channel. You've seen the stock market. You've seen how it literally went like this, straight up to the right for the past 2 years. You've seen the price of Bitcoin straight up to the right. Okay, it's been easy mode. It literally has been easy mode. You could have bought any coin you wanted at any time in the past 6 months and you would have made a ton of money. But easy mode does not last forever. And the reason that easy mode doesn't last forever is because inflation is going crazy. The Federal Reserve is not messing around, and they are taking money off the table. And when that happens, everything refuses to go up. It's going to be very choppy, and it's going to be trader versus trader. It's going to be mano y mano. There is going to be money to be made. There are going to be coins that do extremely well. There's going to be certain coins that outperform. There's going to be times when Bitcoin will meet great support levels, like at $40,000, or like honestly close to where we are right now, where if you buy some amazing altcoins, we'll get nice little bounces up into the, I don't know, into the 47, 48K region, and you can make a ton of money just trading these small little ranges right here. And that's what I'm going to be doing, and that's what I'm going to be helping you do on this channel, okay? But just thinking like, I'm going to buy this random poop coin and it's going to be worth $20 trillion in a week is just not going to work in this market, guys. You're going to have to be focused. You're going to have to be locked in. You're going to have to be a member of a community that is actually thinking this stuff through long term, because it's just different now. So let's stop the rant for a second, and because I got to talk about my show sponsor, you guys know that. BlockFi sponsors every single video on this channel. And it's even more important now, guys, to think about like just clicking the link to get the $250 in free Bitcoin is below. Okay, you just go to my links and click on the second one, get $250 in free Bitcoin. And honestly, this is a perfect time to talk about them because a lot of you guys are probably gonna just like wussy out. I know that you're gonna be like, oh, I'm just gonna go to US dollars. It's safe there. I just want to be safe and cozy. And you know, I don't blame you. And you can earn 9% on those coins. Why would you just sit in cash that is literally losing its value by 6% a year just with inflation, just with the inflation that they're telling you? They're not even telling you the truth. Like inflation is way higher than that. So you're literally just losing money, putting your money in Bank of America. So instead of losing money, maybe don't lose money and put it into BlockFi. Wow, I'm really aggressive today. But anyway, sign up with my link below. They also have, you know, loans and a credit card and all this stuff that you can just get access to your money much quicker, much without all the hassle of a traditional bank. Like get rid of your bank. Your bank sucks. BlockFi is awesome. BlockFi is the new age bank and the link is below. Okay. And so I just want to finish this up. I don't want to ramble forever though, but like you guys got to go follow Pentoshi. Like I don't even know this guy. I don't know if he knows I talk about him on every video on this channel, but like there is some really good stuff here. And he's talking about how all of this kind of came to be with the Fed. The reason that we went straight up and it was easy mode was because the Fed had put so much liquidity into the system, so much money into the system. But now we're facing the problem where this money printer has been slowed down. And you add on to the fact that there's a million different coins, right? There's 20 billion different coins. There's 20 billion different NFTs. And that money, now there's less money. Are you guys with me? There's less money in the system and it's chasing after more projects. So it's spreading out the money. Before it used to all go into Bitcoin. So basically what's happening is supply is way up and demand is way down. What do you think is going to happen in that situation, guys? It's not going to be to the moon. It's going to be sideways. It's going to be choppy. It's going to be a market that you have to be smart and focused in. And I'm not saying you can't make money, guys. We'll finish off with on a positive note. I promise. Just stick around for like 2 seconds, okay? Gosh. But Pentoshi is saying, look, I think it's wise on significant bounces to consider removing a good amount of your capital from the market, especially if, number one, you've made it, and number two, you can't afford to lose it. That is so wise. I would just go pin this to the top of your profile, guys. As stated, I think that this year is a year people lose most, if not all of their money for many reasons that I laid out. And so he's talking about all of this. He called the move all the way from 69,000. He's been ahead of this whole market, and it's all because of the money printer. He's had his eyes focused on the money printer. So with all of that being said, let's just go to this chart because I think this makes a lot of sense. Because I'm making this video, that video probably make you feel really scared, and it probably made you feel like, oh, no, Bitcoin, no, it's never gonna go up again. But I'm sick of like trying to like get views, or I never really have been like that, to be honest. I've been straight up with you guys, but I've seen channels that are still pumping out like the same content, like these altcoins, and I'm never gonna be that guy, dude. Like when I see something in the market that has fundamentally changed, and I don't care if I get 2 videos, I don't care if I get 2 views on this video, I do not care. I'm going to tell you guys the truth. And so again, like I'm feeling a little bit, you know, everyone's feeling a little bit annoyed, like, Bitcoin, like, never didn't do what we wanted. Like, why can't it just go to freaking 100K? Hey, Jerome, why can't you just print the damn money? Like, make it easy on us, right? Like, I feel that too, guys. So don't feel like I'm not like some weird influencer. Like, I'm a normal person like you too, right? My money's invested in this market too. So like, we're in this together. And so everyone's feeling this right now. Everyone's feeling like fearful. Everyone's feeling like pissed off. All of this, the extreme fear. And so that's why I said at the very beginning of the video, even though everything I just said in that video was probably really bearish and you're probably feeling bad, it's not a great time to sell, guys. It's really, really not. Like we already experienced all the fear, right? Look at this. Look at what's happened to Bitcoin. We were already at $69,000. And this line right here, this should be the definition of fear. That's what that is. That's what you call, how big's my face? That's what you call fear. Okay, so the fear has already been experienced, and honestly, the upside, the risk reward here favors the upside, at least in the short term, okay? So there are a ton of discounts on incredible coins. I could go through them here, but we're talking about CRV, we're talking about Phantom, we're talking about Luna, we're talking about Matic, we're talking about projects that like, I would buy like Altura, D-Race. I didn't even talk about that. I totally forgot, but we have Altura and D-Race in the Discord channel in the NFT project in the next 2 days. I should have led off with that, guys, but I've just had a crazy video today, but this is huge. So these 2 projects, Altura and D-Race, guys, and Phantom and Matic and Solana and all of these projects that you know deep down in your heart are going to be around in 5 to 10 years. Those projects are ones that if you have big kahunas, you know what I mean? You have a little something to you can wait for your moment and pounce like a cougar in the night here, guys. You can wait until you see the most fear, maybe even a little bit more liquidations, maybe even just be patient, right? Because the leverage is still really high. Wait for that one more liquidation or just start to average in on the coins that you believe in and hold them, man. Because over the long period of time, the good news here, guys, and I want to finish this on the good news, is that this guy right here is honestly straight up lying to us, right? They're like, we're going to slow down the money printer. We're going to do it. We're going to do it. But here's the thing. Oh, it's great when there's a catch. You ever watch a movie, you know, the bad guy, it looks like he's going to win. Like the whole movie, you're like, damn it, the bad guy is going to win. That's this dude right here, right? They're faking it, dude. They're literally just saying, hey, we're going to taper. Hey, we're going to raise interest rates. Hey, we're going to slow down the money printer. And the market reacts to that because they believe them, which is so silly because it's impossible. If they do this for a long enough time, if they continue to slow down the money printer enough, guess what, guys? The markets are going to absolutely crash. You think you saw something yesterday? Oh my gosh. You think you saw something bad? The NASDAQ has so much room to fall. It will fall 80%. And these people are not going to let that happen. They're rich people too. All they're trying to do is slow it down just this much so that they can meet their inflation numbers. That's all they're trying to do. If they meet their inflation numbers, maybe in Q2, maybe even after the end of Q1, we start to get a little more bullish again because, wow, guess what? The money printer is about to speed up again, baby, because, hey, inflation's under control. Okay, we'll keep printing a little bit. Oh, inflation's looking lower today. Oh, okay. A little bit faster, a little bit faster. We got a new president. We're trying to win this election. You know, we really want the stock markets to pump. Oh, maybe we get back going. So, hey, this is all short-term stuff, guys. I didn't mean to be totally bearish in this video. I hope you appreciate the honesty. I hope I said something that made sense to you. If I did, please smash the like button. Please check out BlockFi. And please at least earn interest on your money. Please don't store it in Bank of America. And I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace. Bye.